Good evening and welcome to your evening reset. We're going to do this class on our backs in a supine position. So go ahead and lie down, bend your knees, feet flat on the floor, and bring your hands gently to your rib cage so that you have that feedback as we go through our core connection breath. Let's start with our 360-degree breathing. So on the inhale, fill the rib cage. And on the exhale, belly to spine, pelvic floor lifts. Inhale, fill the rib cage, neck and shoulders relax. And exhale, belly to spine, pelvic floor lifts. A couple more rounds. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Nice. Inhale. And exhale. Now let's turn our attention specifically to the pelvic floor as we go through a few more rounds. So focus on that pelvic floor, relaxing and softening on the inhale, squeezing and lifting on the exhale. Inhale and exhale, pelvic floor lifts. Inhale, expand. Exhale, lift, squeeze. Inhale. And exhale. Nice. Now let's try the pelvic floor hold. So breathing normally, not holding your breath, you're going to squeeze your pelvic floor and hold for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and release and rest. And remember, it's totally fine if you don't do the full 6 seconds. That's actually a very long time. 2 or 3 seconds is great. So let's go again. Squeeze and hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax and really try to relax. It can be just as hard to relax as it is to squeeze. And let's go again. Squeeze, lift, hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax. And we'll just do a couple of rounds of our speed exercise. So again, we're breathing normally and we're going to squeeze and release as fast and as strong as we can. So go ahead and squeeze and release for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and relax completely. Try to relax completely between each squeeze. It's very hard to do. Totally fine if it's challenging. That's why we're practicing. So let's go again. Squeeze and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. And we'll do one more. Take a couple of breaths here just to rest. And last time, squeeze and release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. And relax completely. Take a couple of breaths here. Really try to feel your pelvic floor relaxing. Nice. And just gently bring your knees into your chest, giving yourself a little squeeze, a little hug. If it feels good, you can rock a little bit from side to side and just come into a really soft twist on your left side. You can even place a pillow under your legs if that feels good. And just remember, it's a very slight twist, barely even a twist, more like a twist thought. And go ahead and switch to the right side. Again, not an intense movement at all, super restorative, super supported. And then coming back to center. And let's go ahead and just lay down on your back. Relax all of the muscles of your body. Relax your feet, your calves, your thighs. Relax your hips, your pelvis, your core muscles, shoulder blades, and neck. Just allow yourself to feel completely supported by the ground. Sink in here and take this time at the end of your day to reset and restore your strength. You can stay here for as long as you can, or feel free to come on back up into a seated position, and I will see you next time.